Here, bring it to Mama. Oh, thank you. Ready? Ready? Here we go. Go get it. Weston, come here. Come on.
He's tired.
He's getting slower.
How many trips has he made?
Like 20.
10 to 20 or something?
Okay, give it to Mama. Thank you. Okay, ready. Here we go again. Go get it. Uh-oh. Weston. Come here, bring it back to Mama. Honey. Weston. Here, bring it back to Mama. Here, give it to Mama. Thank you. You want to do it again? Here we go. There it went. I threw it. Look what Dada has. Look, Weston. That's Weston's new trick. He can play fetch. Say night-night, Weston Eater. Night-night.